Today we're going to look at this. T-brake.
Hello again, mid-1970 here. Now you may remember in one of my last videos I fitted this pneumatic jack to my hydraulic press, and I said I was going to make some other improvements. So what I intend to do today is I'm going to fit some castors to this so that I can move it around a lot easier than I can at the minute. So I went to the local scrappies the other day and I was able to pick up this old welding trolley for £5, and it comes complete with 4 castors. Quite large actually. These are 100mm castors. Okay, so we've got one that spins freely, one that nearly spins freely, one that doesn't spin, and another one that doesn't spin. So these 3 I'm going to take apart, clean the shafts a bit, put some oil on, and get them cleaned up. See, what happens is these get rusty and the wheel is actually supposed to spin on this shaft, and once they get rusty it stops the wheel from rotating. So you take these out, you give them a clean, and your castors run free again. What you got to do then is make sure it's oiled. Now these legs that are on here at the moment, they're not really strong enough to put these castors on. As you can see, they'll just end up bending and flexing. So while I was at the scrapyard, I managed to get myself a piece of 70x70 by 6. So these will now fit onto here and it'll be much stronger. So I'll make the legs out of this. So we'll drill the new parts to this. do a quick double check with the old one. All centres line up. I am so pleased with this. Now I can manoeuvre it around in here and get it out of the way and bring it out whenever I need it. It's made using this a lot easier. Well, that's another project completed. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this episode as much as I have making it. Love to see you again. Please remember, if you enjoy my videos, to like and subscribe. Goodbye for now. Take care.